Hi, welcome to the Get 800 channel, the only place you need to be for SAT math hints, tips, and tactics. Everything you need is right here so that you won't have to worry about your SAT math score when it comes time to apply to your first choice college. Most of you already know how to compute the average of a list of numbers. Just as a reminder, the average is equal to the sum divided by the number. By the sum, I mean you add up all the numbers in the list, and by the number, I mean the number of things that are actually in the list. On the SAT, it is usually much more efficient to rewrite this formula as sum equals average times number. In other words, we are going to convert the average to a sum simply by multiplying the average by the number of things that we're averaging. Many problems with averages on the SAT involve one or more such conversions to sums, followed by a subtraction. Let's try an example. The average of three numbers is 100. If two of the numbers are 80 and 130, what is the third number? Okay, so in this case, we are averaging three numbers. So the number is 3. The average is given to be 100. So the sum of the three numbers is 300. Since two of the numbers are 80 and 130, the third number is 300 minus 80 minus 130, which is 90. This is choice C. Let's try one slightly more difficult problem involving averages. The average of x, y, z, and w is 15, and the average of z and w is 11. What is the average of x and y? Okay, let's convert the averages to sums. The sum of x, y, z, and w is 15 times 4, which is 60. The sum of z and w is 11 times 2, which is 22. So the sum of x and y is 60 minus 22, which is 38. Finally, just one more step, we get the average of x and y by dividing 38 by 2 to get 19. For those of you who feel like you need to see it, here are the calculations in more detail. With just a little bit of practice using this strategy, you should no longer have to write out all this messy algebra. Changing averages to sums is an extremely useful SAT math strategy. Every SAT has at least one math problem where this strategy can be used. Please rewatch this video until you internalize all of the information presented here. If you prefer to read the information that is in this video rather than watch the video again, you can visit my blog. The URL is below in the description.